You better stop letting these motherfuckers sleep on you like you ain't the goddamn prize. Look at your fine ass. Looking fine as fuck today. And you gonna look fine as fuck tomorrow. Stop playing with these motherfuckers.
Alright, y'all. I had to come back to my phone because that camera, I just wasn't feeling it. But makeup is done. Cute. I tried these new lashes. I don't know if I really like them yet. Where the box at so I can show you what they look like. I got them from Ulta. They're called Allure Wild and Wispy. My bad. They're Wild and Wispy. And it is Fierce, Full, and Wispy. That's what they're called. Comes with like their own lash glue, but I don't use that. I use the green duo glue. Because if you know, you know. And I know. What the hell are they doing? See, my neighbor's always just loud for no damn reason. Like, it's 12 o'clock on a Saturday, I get it, but like, damn, y'all, like, come on. But this is the makeup look. I'm gonna start getting this wig together. And so this is the wig straight out of the box. Like I said, this is Asteria Hair. It's I thought it was 28. It's actually 26 inches. 5x5 closure HD lace. As you can see, the lace is bomb. Like, it's literally HD lace. I literally pulled this straight out. I don't even have a wig cap on. This is straight, like, literally. No bleach, no nothing. Just like this. And this is what this looks like. I have a big head, so I'll pull my lace down, like, right here. But that's too far down. But as you can see, that's what it looks like. Straight out of the packaging. Super, super cute. I'm gonna, like, definitely... I'm not gonna bleach it because I feel like that looks really good. I might just put a little bit of like makeup in it. I'm definitely gonna pluck this hairline because baby, she thick. I think this is 180 density. I don't like my wigs super full. Everybody likes a 250 density. That's too much hair for me. I don't like. So as you see, I'm only putting water and mousse in this hair just to bring the curls back to make them nice and juicy. Like I said in the beginning of the video, my wig is only 180% density because that's how I like it. I don't like my wig to be too full. I just think that's way too much hair, but I'm just putting some mousse in here now. So just water and mousse, like I said, and it brings the curls back. I do like this wig. It's so soft, and the mousse that I'm using, it's not making it feel crunchy at all, which I'm glad about. It's a new mousse from Cream of Nature. No bleaching, no nothing. All I did was put it on. Like, that's it. Oh, I put too much spray, so it's a little hard, but it ain't too bad. I can comb it out. But look, this lace, HD lace, is fire. But I'm just gonna pull it up because I need to cut it. Make sure y'all cut these tabs off. I do not want these tabs on looking crazy. Don't make that mistake like I did. And I always cut, I pulled these out, but I'm gonna cut them last. Let me cut this lace real quick and I'll be right back. This wig is so fire. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. Please go get you one. And before you go, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Kisses.